Hello and welcome back to Scale Me Down and to the Midland Air Museum, where I'm sat in a US Air Force Lockheed T-33 Shooting Star with an exciting upgrade to our Arrows hobby T-33, an LED centre burner, which was kindly supplied for review by RC Castle, whereas the model was supplied by Steve Webb Models. Remember to like and subscribe to support the channel. This LED kit should fit any of the 50mm jets with this clever 3D printed mount. You get this control unit, all the wiring you'll require, and these clear printed instructions. There's no soldering required, and there's connectors for 3S or 4S setups. Let's test it. We need to remove the fan unit, so here I've cut through the stickers using a sharp blade and the hatch is retained by magnets. It's also much easier if you remove the wings. I used a few drops of medium CA glue to secure the mount to the fan stators. Next, we'll poke the wiring through into the receiver bay, and the wires are plenty long enough. The fan can now be refitted, again with a couple of drops of medium CA and the wires pulled tight. The LEDs are extremely bright. The camera really doesn't do them justice. Finally, we can plug in and tidy up all the wiring, and then we'll test it. There is a throttle calibration procedure, but I didn't need to bother as it works straight away. The job was dead easy and took just 15 minutes. That was a super quick and easy installation thanks to the clear instructions. It took about 15 minutes. But how will she look in the air? Let's find out. This little aeroplane was already a lot of fun, but this LED afterburner has added just that bit more excitement and drama. I love how it flickers as it lights and extinguishes, and it's certainly very bright. I'm sure that some of our viewers will notice that the full-size Lockheed T-33 Shooting Star was not fitted with an afterburner, so this system isn't exactly scale, it's just meant to be a bit of fun. It lights up from about 50% throttle and looks great flickering as we trundle along at cruise power. This system does rob a tiny amount of power, perhaps say 10%. It only draws a few milliamps, so I suspect this is from the slight encroachment of the exhaust tube. Thankfully, this model has stacks of power, so you barely notice. big thanks to RC Castle for supplying this unit for review, to Steve Webb Models for supplying the aircraft, and to the Midlands Air Museum for letting us film their T-33. That added a bit of bling to an already fun aeroplane. I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.